Hello, welcome to the EagleSix Airsoft video. We're going to be testing this Tokamak Scar H. This one came in for some second-hand work and a rebuild. So we've done a full service on this. Obviously we assessed it and found some various issues with obviously the wiring. It was quite frankly terrible. So obviously we've redone the wiring through the stock here, so it comes out nice and neat. And then we've done this small plate at the back here, just obviously hold everything down. So now you just put your DINS connector onto there and put your battery into there, and obviously everything all moves, if you know what I mean. So I'm a bit tight there because it's second hand. But then obviously, you know, wiring goes through all neat into there, which is all good. Obviously connects up to here, and then we've done obviously a front wired Mosfet. We tried to rear wire the previous one. Obviously the wiring was all over the place, coming out all kinds of weird positions on the gearbox, and unfortunately there's an error on the Mosfet that we can't seem to get rid of. So obviously we'll return the old Mosfet. And then obviously just from a fact of time that we have to think about, we can't obviously keep resoldering it over and over and over on the off chance that maybe we restore the Mosfet. We have to move on, we'll install a new Mosfet, we'll provide the old one to you. If you obviously want to spend the time trying to recover that, get it tightened and sell it on or do whatever, then you know, go ahead. So, but obviously from our perspective, we've got a lovely new Titan in there and it's now working. Great, simple, saved us loads of time, which is good. We installed Prometheus 6mm bearings in there. We put a new stop release button on there because obviously that was broken. We've got a new bolt stop lever, so we've got the EagleSix one in there. So obviously it's plastic construction, and this is the new revised version, which works, which is always good, nice to see. This is now available on the website. There's only a few in stock currently, but obviously I don't mind ordering more, depending on obviously how many orders come in for them. What else we got? I put a new wire cover on there because obviously it's front wired, and somebody had taken the wire cover off when they did a rear wiring, so we've had to replace that. What else? A new hot rubber and nub, Prometheus flat hot rubber, a flat nub. BSL lever cover. I think that's about it. So yeah, and then obviously rebuild, service, shim, and then back together again. So we're just ready to demonstrate it working now. You can see there my battery's a bit low. As you can see there, the cut-off lever is working. Bolt stop lever is working fantastically. Obviously, this is in combination with a Gate Titan. We haven't tested it in combination with a original contact switch set. So because obviously when we're building these, we obviously build them as best we can, and obviously building one of these TMs as best we can with the original contact switch set doesn't make sense. So obviously they're better performing on something like a Gate Titan. So so obviously if somebody is obviously trying to save money or something like that, no, that's not really our concern, if you know what I mean. So the main thing is if somebody has a broken lever and they want to get it going again, feel free to obviously try the lever with the original contact switch set, but we're just not saying or that it will, because obviously we haven't designed it from the perspective of trying to work with that. The same thing as selector plate. We're looking at making a selector plate for the Scar. Half the stuff on a selector plate is to do with the that basically work in a contact switch set. So I mean, I could probably chop half that off if you're just sort of designing it around a gate titan. So it's interesting when you sort of think about it from that perspective. But let me just demonstrate a bit more. Cool. So any problems, let us know. I'm going to have to tighten this gas block up because that's moving crazy. There's a grub screw on the inside of that. So yeah, so obviously all ready. We'll tighten that gas block up, and hopefully everything's all ready good to go. And we'll put the build description in the video for you. Okay, thank you.